Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to move overlay in Capcut. Let's begin. Moving an overlay in Capcut is an important skill when you're working with multiple layers, whether it's text, images, videos, or stickers. Overlays are used to layer content on top of your main video, and knowing how to move them properly allows you to fine-tune the composition of your project. All right, so if you want to position your overlay, all you have to do is click the Capcut, open the app, and once you're there, click on the project that you are working. If you don't have any project yet, just click the create a new project here to begin your work and start editing. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file right here. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, I have like two elements which clearly shows my overlays. Now I wanted to add a new overlay here. By clicking this overlay at the bottom, I would add another layer. All right. And then what I'm going to do is add a photo or an image and then add it to my timeline. Now I'm going to drag this from the very beginning. I'm going to stretch it a little bit so that it can have its synchronized length within the all elements. All right, for us to be able to move the overlay right here, what I'm going to do is add a keyframe. All right, the keyframe is the diamond button here beside the undo and beside the play button. So the first is I'm gonna move this right here, create a keyframe for that position, and then just around here I'm gonna move the overlay here at the center. All right, and add a keyframe, and then around here just make it disappear entirely. All right, so let's try to play that from the very beginning, and as you can see, we have successfully moved the overlay in this specific project or video. All right, and then on the last part, I'm gonna make sure that it gets back in here, stretch it a little bit so it fits our there you go. And then this is going to be one last final showdown. Amazing, right? And again, you can be creative. You can add more overlays along the way and how you want to present your overlay here in Capcut. It's kind of easy, really, but it adds effect and depth to your animation. Now, once you're happy with this, just click the export button on top of your screen to save a copy for yourself, or you can send it to your client for feedback. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.